not be alarmed.
Brand new series alert.
Yeah, I'm gonna call this Things to Like and Love. So every month, I'm gonna show off items, products, trailers, really whatever I feel like, that I either liked or loved. Let's get into it. First up is the Elgato Stream Deck Mini. It looks way cooler when it's lit up, but it still looks kinda sick. A miniaturized version of the Elgato Stream Deck, which featured 15 buttons. This one features 6 customizable LCD keys. It's also faced towards you, which I find really nice instead of being flat on the desk. So you have the ability to customize. I can't get my hand in here without it looking enormous. All right, here we go. No, okay. Whatever. You have the ability to change the icon on each button, make it whatever picture you want. Also, yeah, there's 6 buttons, but you can expand those by setting up folders or subfolders. You can have a bunch of buttons, honestly. I haven't used all of them yet. It's easy to set up. Simple drag and drop options or actions onto the keys. So it works for OBS Studio, XSplit, Streamlabs, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Mixer, and more. I'm using it on OBS right now. It's economical. Oh, hey, that's me. Howdy. It's economical in every way. Not only does it expedite the process of switching scenes to up production value, but it's also modest in size. So it's not going to be occupying a ton of space on your desk. Hey, that's me again. Why isn't this working? Oh, there we go. Oh my, it's a wheel. Look, you can make a wheel on this thing. So for all the great features and just the aspect of making my life when I'm streaming 1,000 times easier, I'm gonna give the Elgato Stream Deck Mini a rating of love. Up next is a game that most Nintendo Switch owners have been hyped about for at least all of last year. The game I'm talking about is Smash Bros. Ultimate. I actually don't have a copy of it, or I would show it off right now, but I bought it digitally. So we're in a little bit of a bind in that aspect. All right, well, I'm filming this because I don't have a physical copy, but all these guys are in it. There's multiple Marios, multiple Links. Waluigi's not in it. Who? That's Trunks, so he's definitely not in it either. But all these guys over here are, so that's OG Smash mode. You can play that, which features 74 fighters plus DLC. If you don't want to do that, you can do tourney mode. There's a tournament mode. Choose a set number of players and CPU, and the game will create a bracket. There's also an expansive single player mode. Jesus Christ, I can't talk. There's more than 100 stages and more than 800 tracks. Look at all this music. You could listen to any Zelda song you want. This, I'm just coming across this. Kinda cool. Looks like you can listen to any character's voice. If you're just curious, I guess. And now that we're here, I am. Create battle arenas where you can set rules and battle with friends online or otherwise. And then there's spots to either wait in line or spectate. The online mode allows you to select preferred rules as well. Not only that, but it also prioritizes people with your overall global smash power and geographic region. Screen freeze and zoom ins when a character is attacked with a fatal hit. I mean, this is probably one of the best new things that Smash has come across. It's super sicko mode. Unless it happens to you. Especially when you were cheated out of a win by Mewtwo. He cheated. I definitely had more killed. I'm not going down like that. I can't go down like that. Okay. So it gets a rating of love. I think that's it. Thanks for watching the first ever edition of Things to Like and Love. Make sure to subscribe and click on the bell to get the notifications. Also, leave a comment. Do you have any of these things? Do you have the Stream Deck Mini? Do you have Smash Bros? Let me know what you think of either of them if you have them. I always like to hear your feedback, so put it down in there.